Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.
Hey, welcome to the Midwest Picker YouTube channel. My name is Dave. I go by Midwest Picker. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm glad you're here. I had to make a new video because I don't want YouTube to think I'm dead. It's been, gosh, 2 months since I've made a video. I've been super busy. It's a long story. You don't want to hear it. But I do have a lot of new subscribers due to the metal detecting videos. So have no fear. Harvest time is right around the corner. So farmers' fields are going to be just plain dirt. So I will be going down to Indiana pretty soon and metal detecting some vacant fields. I don't know when, couple weeks, but those videos will be coming soon. As far as sourcing videos, going to thrift stores and estate sales and all that, probably not going to do a whole lot of those videos anymore. I might if I go to an auction or something like that. But this is a what sold on eBay video. These are my home runs since my last video. And I tell you what I bought, what I paid for it, and what it sold for. It gives you an idea of how to source things to resell on eBay. Buy something for 50 cents and sell it for $50. Who doesn't love doing that? First up is this Lions Club lapel pin. I have a lot of Lions Club International lapel pins. I bought over 350 of them. This is like a metal. It has a ribbon on it. The cost of goods is 10 cents. I listed it for $19.95, sold for full asking price. Now the reason I say full asking price is because everything in my eBay store has offers turned on. And potential buyers can send me an offer if they want, but you'd be shocked how many people don't and they just pay full price. Next item is a home run.
Get over his head, way back, he looks up, you can put it on the board!
This is a set of tobacco cards I bought in a huge lot. If you haven't seen my old video, it goes back, I don't know, 2 years ago it seems like, during the Rona. I went to a vintage toy auction about 2 hours from here. It was model trains, model railroad trains, engines, cars, track, and this guy had tons of stuff. He had, oh, I don't know. He had tobacco cards, like the full set in protective plastic sleeves and 3-ring binders. He had little train, model train buildings, and then he had all of the vintage toys, little building sets, model kits, dolls, just you name it. Filled a gymnasium full of stuff. So I won, I think, 6 3-ring binders full of tobacco cards for like 60 bucks. So this particular set, it was cost of goods, after you do the math and divide it out, was $2.17. I listed it for $99.95 and I got an offer for $89.95, and I said heck yes. Boom, I accepted that offer big time. Next are some stick and peel borders. I don't know if it's still popular now, but to decorate your home when you paint the walls, people used to put borders at the top of the wall right by the ceiling. These are just stick and peel. You just jam them on there. I bought a whole bunch. They were marked down to like $1 at this restore. So I figured I'll take a chance, so I bought a bunch. I listed them for $14.95 as 5 available. Somebody sent me an offer, $50 for all of them, plus shipping on top, and I said, yeah. Next is kind of a dud. These are Noritake vintage saucers. Took 3 years to sell. Now I thought I was, a big smart aleck and I could find this cool stuff at flea markets and thrift stores. Oh, it's Noritake. Ooh, it's 100 years old. Well, it's cool and it's old and it's in great condition. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to sell like gangbusters. So unfortunately, this particular item took forever to sell. Cost of goods was 50 cents a piece. I listed them for $8.95 each, 8 available. Finally, somebody offered me $56 for all of them, and I said, oh yeah, I'll take it. Next is another home run. This is not a repeat buyer, by the way. This is another set of tobacco cards. Same situation. Cost of goods $2.17. Listed them for $99.95. Got an offer for $89.95, and I took it. Complete sets of vintage tobacco cards from late 1800s, turn of the century. They seem to sell really well. I've sold a lot of sets. Individual tobacco cards, I'm really not into that. People do list them on eBay for like $3, $4, $5 a piece. Sometimes cheaper, and they try to sell them one at a time. The idea that somebody has an incomplete set and they're looking for that very one that you have listed could take 20 years to sell it. Forget that noise. I'm going to list the whole set and just blow out the whole thing. Next is the vintage model train engine, still new in the box. Pretty cool. Cost of goods was $3. I listed it for $59.95. I had no idea what price to put on it. I think at the time, mine was the only one on eBay. I accepted an offer of $35 plus shipping. Not too bad. Next is this big dinosaur. It's a Magnavox video camera, the kind you put on your shoulder, and weighs like 25 pounds. Just this massive beast. Very popular in the early to mid 80s. I won this on Highbid, a local auction house, for $4. And then I thought to myself, what have I done?
Do you realize what you've done?
Buying something sight unseen that's electronic is a huge gamble. You can't, I mean, I suppose I could have drove to the auction house before the auction was over and tested it all out, but nobody's going to do that. And if you buy a television, radio, VCR, DVD combo from Highbid or eBay, and you just don't know if it actually works, it's a big gamble. And being a reseller is a big gamble. Sometimes you buy stuff and you get it home and it's just garbage. So I got it home, only paid $4 for it. I got it home, plugged in the battery, which is the size of a video cassette, ironically, and it wouldn't really hold the charge really well. So then I plugged the battery charger into the video camera. It would turn on and it would play video cassettes. I put like a video movie in it, and it would record a blank tape for about 60 seconds and then it just shut off. So I don't know if the charger power cord doesn't work. I don't know if the camera doesn't work. I don't know. But it came with a spotlight, the camera, the charger, a battery, and a hard shell case. So I just put the whole thing on eBay as parts or repair only. In the description, I put not guaranteed to work at all. This is just for parts. Listed it for $49.95. Got a lot of views, got a few watchers, and then some guy started messaging me and he only wanted the spotlight. And I said, well, it's a whole set. I can't part it out. Normally, when in doubt, part it out. That works. But for this, if you start parting it out, then you're just left with a boat anchor. So I wanted to keep it all together, because some people just want the hard shell case. This guy only wanted the spotlight, and I just very nicely said, I'm sorry, it's a complete set. I can't split it up. And about 3 days went by, and he paid full price. Didn't even send me an offer. He paid full price, $49.95 plus shipping. Next are these vintage wooden lap trays. It's kind of like a TV tray, but it just goes on your lap. When I saw these at a restore store, that's what I call it, I knew they were old. I did the smell test. They smelled old. They looked old. I didn't have time to look up comps on my phone and look up, what they're actually worth. So I took a big gamble. I paid $7 for this whole set. And then I got home, cleaned them up pretty good, looked them up on eBay and Etsy and whatever website I could find, and they have some pretty good value. I listed them for $69.95 about a year ago. Just got an offer for $55 plus shipping, and I took it. So that's the video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you're a reseller, these are some just examples of things you can look for out in the wild. If you're at an auction, estate sales, flea markets, garage sales, thrift stores, whatever. I specialize in vintage old items. I rarely sell like newer items, but some items that are very old, very cool, in great condition, they just don't sell. So you have to be careful not to waste your money buying something just because you think it's awesome and old and special. It might not sell. Just like those Noritake saucers. They're really cool. People do collect it, but it doesn't mean it's going to sell overnight. It could take a very long time. Metal detecting videos will be coming as soon as I can get out again. So that's the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that bell icon. That way, when I do a metal detecting video or a reselling video, you'll get a notification. And I keep saying this, and you guys are probably tired of it if you've been watching my videos for a long time. They are putting fiber optic internet out in the street, but they only work like 2 hours a week, and then they go somewhere else. So the word is spring of 2024, hopefully sooner. But I can't go live anymore until I get that high-speed quality internet. I have satellite internet, which is terrible. So Midwest Picker won't be going live for quite a while. And if you stayed this long, when I do go live, I have 3 sodas. I call them soda pop, soda pop. Carbonated beverages I bought in Mackinac City. Blackberry pie, strawberry cheesecake, and then I saved the best for last. It's called Bloody Nose. That's right. This is carbonated beverage soda flavored like blood. I have no idea why. I have no idea what it tastes like. And you're probably asking, Dave, why did you buy these? Well, when I used to go live, I would do trivia and give away prizes to people and give people stickers or some of my inventory and just give away stuff for the fun of it. And then I would do crazy food taste testing like Dr. Pepper, cotton candy, or candy canes flavored like shiitake mushrooms and macaroni and cheese. Just crazy food, mostly gross, that doesn't taste good at all. And I would do that live on YouTube. Haven't done that in a long time. So when I do go live, I'll be doing these 3 sodas. 2 of them are really good, and one of them tastes like a bloody nose. So stick around. If you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you'll be the lucky person to watch me drink that live. Hopefully I don't vomit live on camera. That would make a good video, but I'm gonna not do that. I got a pretty strong iron stomach. So that's it. Enough jibber jabber and talking. Until next time, see ya.
Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.